Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and in this lecture we will talk about the benign lesions of the cervix. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section we will talk about cervical ectopy. What's the pathogenesis of cervical ectopy, how it presents clinically, and how we diagnose the cervical ectopy. We will also talk about the management of cervical ectopy. Then in the second section, we will talk about eversion and cervical tear. We will talk about what's eversion, what's cervical tear, and what are the different types of the tear that occur in the cervix. In the third section, we will talk about the cervical stenosis. What is cervical stenosis? What are different causes of cervical stenosis and how cervical stenosis is treated? Then in the fourth section, we will talk about different cervical cysts, in which we will talk about the Nabothian cyst, endometriotic cyst, and mesonephric cyst, and what's the treatment of the different cervical cysts present. Then in the fifth and final section, we will talk about the elongation of the cervix. What are the causes of elongation? How the elongation of the cervix present, and what's the treatment and management of the elongation of cervix. So all these topics will be covered in our lecture, Benign Lesions of the Cervix. To learn more about these topics, so keep watching sqadia.com.